Meet the Sharmas. Samar and his family had always lived life with boundaries. Limit mein, where every decision was carefully made. Limits on spending, limits on going out, limits on travel. Always squeezing value out of every deal. Until one day, Samar heard something magical. Ab coverage pe no limit. And just like that, his world changed. Introducing Niva Bupa Reassure 3.0. With Reassure 3.0, he got unlimited coverage with no cap on the number of claims or claim amount. He could choose his preferred room type and enjoy a health cover that never runs out. And the best part, it didn't burn a hole in his wallet. Soon, Samar discovered there is no limit to his youth either when he purchased the policy at 35 and remained claim-free until 45. He kept paying for a 35-year-old even at 45. With Cashback Plus, there was no limit on rewards either. First claim-free year, he enjoyed a 10% cashback and then 5% on every subsequent renewal. After 3 claim-free years in a row, he got an extra 10% bonus. He used this accumulated cashback to pay for premiums, diagnostic tests, co-payments, deductibles and more. And the rewards didn't stop there. With every walk, every run, Samar's steps earned him up to 30% off on his renewal premiums. Even with a pre-existing disease, he could choose to be covered from day one with no waiting period. As Reassure 3.0 provides day one coverage for not 1, 2 or 3, but up to 145 pre-existing conditions. And the coverage went beyond hospitalization. He got up to 5x of his premium back as OPD coverage. For doctor visits, diagnostics, medicines, fitness videos, diet plans, mental wellness sessions, and even gym memberships. And the cherry on the top? Samar got a sweet welcome gift. One-time surprise just for downloading the Niva Bupa app. He even recommended the plan to his friend, who frequently travels internationally. Thanks to the borderless coverage, his friend can get treated anywhere in the world with coverage up to 5 crore rupees. No limit on borders. And that's when Samar, his wife and even his friend all said together, "Ye hua na health insurance." Choose Reassure 3.0, the health insurance plan that empowers you to go limitless.
जिंदगी को क्लेम कर ले।